Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. In this video, we're going to practice adding integers, but we're going to solve them using counters. And so let's refresh our memory on a couple of things. Integers are just our positive and negative whole numbers. And counters, it's where it's two-sided. You usually see them in your classroom, where the yellow will represent one positive, and then the red side will represent one negative. So when you have one positive and one negative together, that's actually a zero pair because they cancel each other out. So think about it like this. If you have $1, but you owe $1, well, you don't really have any money because you owe somebody. The having $1 would be one positive, but owing would be one negative. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into our first example. So it's 5 positives plus 3 negatives. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to combine 5 positives with 3 negatives. Well, let's see how it would look with our integers, counters. There you go, 5 positives and then 3 negatives. So as I discussed at the beginning of the video, zero pairs is one positive plus one negative, and they cancel each other out. So there's one zero pair, there's another zero pair, and a third zero pair. We're actually taking these out because they're worth 0. What are we left with? 2 positive. So our answer would be 2. Okay, so let's go to the next example. We're combining 5 negatives plus 3 negatives. So you would just get your counters out and it would model and it would look like this. 5 negatives and 3 negatives. And then you look at all your counters and go, do I have any zero pairs? Well, there aren't any zero pairs. So you just add it, which would be 8 negatives. All right, well, I hope this helped. If it did, please don't forget to hit subscribe.